Hi, I'm Mars Charlie and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about sinks and how to clean them. So some of my favourite products. Cif, which is a brilliant cleaner. Everybody knows about Cif and it's a great sort of everyday. And then Barkeeper's Friends. So I really love this as a stain remover and I'm going to show you how to use this one today. And then I found this recently. So this is their Power Cream and it's similar to Cif. These I buy in hardware shops, or some supermarkets do sell them, but you don't see them everywhere. But this stain remover is incredible. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see the sinks and let's get going. So I've got my corner drainer, which I keep on the corner of this sink the whole time. So I'm just going to move that out of the way and pop my rubber gloves on. So to start with, I'm just going to give the sinks a bit of a rinse because there's a few little bits in there that I want to go down the drain, and I shall do the same with that one. So then I'm going to use this. Lift it up, and you just shake it like this over the sink. Quite a good shake. You don't need loads of the product, but a good amount. And then I'm just going to damp my sponge. I don't want it soaking wet, so just a good rinse, a good wring out, I should say, and then just work it round the sink. And you do need to scrub a bit, and that's why I find these scourers really useful because they don't damage the sink. Absolutely fine and safe to use, but they do a great job at getting the dirt off. I use them for washing up as well. So I'm just going to pop a little bit more in there. Like that, and again, just give that a little rinse. And then get going again. And up sides and right in. I use it along the edge, right into where you've got the seal around the top of the sink. I don't know if you can see the marks on the bottom are fading. Now I use huge oven trays, and so my sinks do get damaged. But this is amazing at getting quite a lot of the marks. They're never going to be perfect because I have abused them, but I think if you were to use a washing up bowl, that might help. But then it's also really good at getting the dirt off around the plug as well. And so I just give that a good clean in there as well, like that. And then I shall do the other sink and give the rinse. And it's really as easy as that with this amazing Barkeeper's Friend stain remover. So I'll show you. I mean, that's really coming up really shiny. I could, if I wanted it to be perfect, I could get a toothbrush out, but actually I'm not that bothered. And then I will maybe put some direct onto my sponge and just give that a good clean in there as well. And then we'll rinse. So I've just given it a really good rinse and I'm really pleased with how that is looking. It's sparkling and clean and the marks have really improved on the bottom of the sink there.